Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into E-Trade for account access and money movements step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the E-Trade website URL www.etrade.com. Locate the Log On button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Log On button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, type in your password. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember My User ID box. Once you're ready, click the Log On button. You will now be taken to your E-Trade account dashboard. To move money, look for the Transfers option in the main menu. Click on Transfers to access money movement options. Select the type of transfer you want to make between accounts, to a bank, or another option. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details for your transfer. Confirm the information you provided is correct before proceeding. Click on the Submit button to initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is completed. That's how you log into E-Trade and move money within your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.